Hello everyone. So this video will be about Google machine learning services and APIs, and this video will cover all the machine learning services and APIs. And because there are too many services and APIs, so I'll just briefly talk over those services and APIs, and I will not go in depth unless it's like really important for the exam. But we'll just briefly see what all services and APIs exist within the Google Cloud ecosystem. So let's get started. So this is the high level diagram of all the ML services and APIs. So here in top you have AutoML, which is automatic machine learning, and the first is AutoML, which is for basically generic for everything. Then you have AutoML natural language, AutoML tables, AutoML translation, AutoML video intelligence, AutoML vision, and under the second section cloud APIs, you have some APIs which you can directly use. So you can just directly invoke that through REST APIs or through a CLI, and there is no coding involved. So some of these APIs are Cloud Inference API, Cloud Jobs API, Cloud Natural Language API, Cloud Optimization AI, Cloud Translation API, Cloud Vision API, Media Translation API, Speech to Text, Text to Speech, Vertex AI, Video Intelligence API, Visual Inspection, Document AI, Recommendations AI, and there's a third section called Others, and these include any other services which does not fall under AutoML or the Cloud API. And some of these solutions are Advanced Solutions Lab, AI Hub, AI Platform Unified, Contact Center AI, Dialogflow CX, Dialogflow Insights, TensorFlow Enterprise, and Data Labeling. Now I will be covering all these services one by one. So first, AutoML. AutoML allows you to train high quality custom machine learning models with minimal effort and machine learning expertise. AutoML enables developers with limited machine learning expertise to train high quality models specific to their business needs. You can build your own custom machine learning model in minutes. Next is AutoML Tabular or AutoML Tables. So both the names apply. So it automatically builds and deploys state-of-the-art machine learning models on structured data. So it is AutoML tables. So just remember structured data, something like tabular form, something that you see in spreadsheet, Excel, and all. So it handles wide range of tabular data primitives, easy to build models, easy to deploy and scale models. Okay, next is Vertex AI tabular workflows. So it's in a glass box and managed AutoML pipeline that lets you see and interpret each step in the model building and deployment process. So basically you have table workflows, and Vertex AI tabular workflows, you can see all the steps involved. The ease of AutoML is now combined with greater control. You can pick and choose parts of the process AutoML handles versus what you engineer. So you can basically pick and choose the steps, and you can comfortably train datasets over terabyte without sacrificing accuracy. So next is AutoML image. You can derive insights from object detection and image classification in the cloud or at the edge. Use REST or RPC's APIs. Detect objects where they are and how many of them are. Classify objects using custom labels. Deploy ML models at the edge. So next is AutoML video. Enable powerful content discovery and engaging video experiences. Annotate videos using custom labels. Streaming video analysis. Short change detection. Object detection and tracking. So next is AutoML text. Reveal the structure and meaning of text through machine learning. Integrated REST API. Custom entity extraction, custom sentiment analysis, and large dataset support. So AutoML text lets you do all of this, like dataset support, sentiment analysis, entity extraction. And next is AutoML translation. Dynamically detect and translate between languages. It also comes with integrated REST and gRPC APIs. Supports around 50 language pairs. Translate with custom models. Okay, next is Cloud Inference API. Cloud Inference API is a simple, highly efficient and scalable system that makes it easier for businesses and developers to quickly gather insights from typed time series datasets. It is fully integrated with Google Cloud Storage and can handle datasets as large as tens of billions of event records. If you store any time series data in cloud storage, you can use the Cloud Inference API to begin generating predictions. So Cloud Jobs API. Google Cloud Jobs API is a machine learning service that provides the necessary lingua franca between the job seeker and the employer job postings in order to improve the hiring process. Much like how Google Cloud Translation API translates an arbitrary string into any supported language, Cloud Jobs API understands the nuances of job titles, descriptions, skills, and preferences, and matches job seeker preferences with relevant job listings based on the sophisticated classifications and relational models. Next is Cloud Natural Language API. So, get insightful text analysis with machine learning that extracts, analyzes, and stores text. Train high quality machine learning custom models without a single line of code with AutoML. Apply natural language understanding to apps with natural language API. Cloud optimization AI. It can make effective business decision with a robust planning and optimization tool. You can build with groundbreaking optimization API that powers Google and developed by Google Research. Easily integrate with Google Cloud, Google products to inject Google AI into your business planning process. So just think of it. This is as some kind of planning tool, business planning tool. For example, something like Cloud Fleet Routing, natively integrated with Google Maps. Cloud Translation API. Make your content and apps multilingual with fast, dynamic machine translation. Reach global markets through internationalizations of your products. Engage your audience with compelling localization of your content. Deliver seamless user experience with real-time translation. Next is Cloud Vision API. So Vision API offers powerful pre-trained machine learning models through REST and gRPC APIs. Assign labels to images and quickly classify them into millions of predefined categories, detect objects, read printed and handwritten text, and build valuable metadata into your image catalog. Okay, Media Translation API. Media Translation API delivers real-time speech translation to your content and application directly from your audio data. Leveraging Google's machine learning technologies, the API offers enhanced accuracy and simplified integration while equipping you with comprehensive set of features to further refine your translation results. Improve user experience with low latency, streaming translation, and scale quickly with straightforward internationalization. Next is speech to text. Accurately convert speech into text with an API powered by the best of Google's AI research and technology. Speech adaptation. Provide hints to boost the transcription accuracy of rare and domain-specific words or phrases. Use classes to automatically convert spoken numbers into addresses, years, currencies, and more. And domain-specific models. Choose from a selection of trained models for voice control, phone call, video transcription, optimized for domain-specific quality requirements. Again, speech to text. You can easily compare quality. Experiment on your speech audio with our easy to use user interface. Try different configuration to optimize quality and accuracy. Speech to text on-prem. Maintain control over your infrastructure and protected speech data by leveraging Google's speech recognition technology on premises in your own private data centers. Speech on device. Run Google Cloud speech algorithm locally on any device regardless of internet connectivity. Promise users that their voice data will never leave their device. Okay, text to speech. This is different than speech to text. This is text to speech. So you have WaveNet voices. Take advantage of 90 plus WaveNet voices built based on DeepMind's groundbreaking research to generate speech that significantly closes the gap with human performance. Neural to voices. Internationalize your voice experience with pre-built voices powered by the latest research behind custom voice. Train a custom voice model using your own audio recordings to create a unique and more natural sounding voice for your organization. You can define and choose the voice profile that suits your organization and quickly adjust to changes in voice needs without needing to record new phrases. Okay, text to speech, second part. So you have voice tuning. Personalize the pitch of your selected voice up to 20 semitones, more or less from the default. Adjust your speaking rate to be 4 times faster or slower than the normal rate. So you can tune also. Text and SSML support. SSML support is basically a language for speech and voice. So there is a hissing sound, all those things, pause. So this is all can be represented by just remember this SSML language. Customize your speech with SSML tags that allow you to add pauses, numbers, date and time, formatting and other pronunciation instructions. Okay, next is Vertex AI. This is one of the important AI API or machine learning service. So build, deploy and scale machine learning ML models faster with fully managed ML tools for any use case. Accelerate ML with a unified data and AI platform and tooling for pre-trained and custom models. Implement MLOps practices to efficiently scale, manage, monitor and govern your ML workloads. Reduce training time and cost with the optimized infrastructure. A unified UI for the entire ML workflow. Pre-trained APIs for vision, video, natural language and more. End-to-end integration for data and AI. Support for all open source frameworks. End-to-end application development environment. Okay, next is Video Intelligence API. The Video Intelligence API allows developers to use Google Video Analysis technology as part of their applications. The REST API enables users to annotate video stored locally or in cloud storage or live streamed with contextual information at the level of the entire video, per segment, per shot and per frame. Explicit content detection, face detection, label detection, logo recognition, object tracking, person detection, shot change detection, speech transcription, text detection. Okay, next is visual inspection AI. Quickly train and deploy AI models to automatically detect production defects, no technical expertise required. Start quickly with a guided user interface on Google Cloud or our API. Train high precision domain specific AI models to detect the tiniest defects. Minimal labeling effort due to active learning. Start with only a few defect images. So this is usually is used for product some issue like warehouses and all. So you can just put some camera and figure out if there are any defective products or something, packaging or something is not appropriate. Run prediction models at the production line through Docker containers. Assembly inspection, cosmetic inspection, scale on premises, quick start capability. Document AI. So extract structured data from documents and analyze, search and store this data. The document AI solutions suite includes pre-trained models for data extraction, document AI workbench to create new custom models or uptrain existing ones, and document AI warehouse to search and store documents. Manage the entire unstructured document lifecycle in one unified solution. Reduce manual document processing, minimize setup cost and accelerate deployment. Ensure a high level of accuracy with Google's AI and human in the loop reviews. Use your document data to gain new insights about your products and meet customer expectations. Process documents from a unified console. Leverage Google's state-of-the-art AI and enrich data to make it more useful. Integrate human review into machine learning and predictions. Okay, next is recommendations AI. With recommendations AI, you can deliver high performing recommendations to any customer touchpoint, including your website, mobile experience, email, contact center, and more. Seamlessly deliver curated recommendations with low latency to customers anywhere in the world. Fully managed service, automatic global scale, supports GDPR compliance, deliver at any touchpoint. State of the art AI. And how it works is basically you ingest your data, like something like product catalog data and customer data. You ingest all this, multiple ways to integrate your data, and you feed into recommendations AI, and you select your recommendation type algorithm, select what are your objectives, set some business rules, and then you have prediction API available, and then you can show recommendation at the customer touch points. So website can directly connect to prediction API and can show the recommendations. So Advanced Solutions Lab, build high impact business solutions alongside Google machine learning experts. The Advanced Solutions Lab is an immersive training program that provides a unique opportunity for technical teams to learn from Google's machine learning experts in a dedicated collaborative space on Google's campus. AI Hub offers a collection of components for developers and data scientists to build artificial intelligence systems. You can use AI Hub to find, deploy, and use Kubeflow pipelines and components. Explore, code, and learn in interactive Jupyter notebooks. Explore and reuse TensorFlow models. Explore, deploy, and use trained models. Use pre-packaged virtual machines images to quickly set up your AI environment. Share AI components with your colleagues. Okay, AI platform. Use AI platform to train your machine learning models at scale, to host your trained models in the cloud, and to use your model to make predictions about new data. AI platform manages the following stages in the ML workflow. Train an ML model on your data. So train model, evaluate model accuracy, tune hyperparameters, and you can deploy your trained model. Send prediction request to your model. Online prediction, batch prediction for batch for only for TensorFlow, and monitor the predictions on an ongoing basis. Manage your models and model versions. Okay, so these blue one are the one which are managed by AI platform. So you, as I mentioned, train, evaluate, and tune your model, deploy, get predictions, monitor the ongoing predictions, manage your models and versions. So next is contact center AI, human-like AI powered contact center experience. It uses Dialogflow CX. So Dialogflow CX allows enterprise customers to create advanced virtual agents in minutes that seamlessly switch between topics, handle supplemental questions, and operate across multiple channels 24/7 to minimize live agent interventions. So agent assist. So basically, we have tried to robotized this contact center. So this will all be handled by computers, and there will be voice coming in and be answering. So all this is what it is all about. So agent assist empowers human agents with continuous support during their calls and chats by identifying intent and providing real-time step-by-step assistance. So contact center AI Insights uses natural language processing to identify call drivers and sentiment that helps contact center managers learn about customer interactions to improve call outcomes. Contact center AI platform completes cloud native platform to support multi-channel communications between customers and agents, optimized for the smartphone era. So next is Dialogflow CX. This is part 1. So Dialogflow is one of the very important and popular technology at the moment. Dialogflow is a natural language understanding NLU platform that makes it easy for developers to design and integrate conventional user interfaces into mobile apps, web apps, devices, and bots. Dialogflow includes a powerful and intuitive natural language processing engine that can understand a wide range of user requests and can generate responses in multiple languages. One of the key features of Dialogflow is its ability to use context to track the conversation and maintain state. Contexts are used to store information about the current state of the conversation so that the system can understand and respond appropriately to user input. So part 2, this enables developers to build more complex and sophisticated conversational experiences that can understand and respond to user requests in a natural and intuitive way. Dialogflow also includes a range of integrations with other platforms and tools such as Google Assistant, Alexa, Slack, which make it easy to deploy conversational interfaces in a variety of different environments. Overall, Dialogflow is a powerful and flexible platform for building natural language processing based conversational interfaces and is widely used by developers around the world. So next is TensorFlow Enterprise. So reliability and performance for AI application with enterprise grade support and managed services. It's so some features are long-term support. TensorFlow Enterprise offers security patches and select bug fixes for up to 3 years on a specific TensorFlow Enterprise distribution. You have prioritized request, prioritized patches and bug fixes into the mainline TensorFlow code repository. Pre-packaged and optimized, so it's enterprise ready and performance tuned TensorFlow through containers and virtual machines. Instant cloud scale, automatic provisioning, optimizing and scaling of resources through CPUs, GPUs and TensorFlow processing unit, also known as TPUs, cloud TPUs. Works across Google Cloud, so you can develop and deploy your applications across managed services like Vertex AI and Google Kubernetes engine. So next is data labeling. Data labeling tasks are usually completed by Google specialist labels. You can also create a specialist pool that allows you to manage data labeling tasks using your own workforce to complete the labeling tasks instead of using Google specialists. So labeling is basically you give them a lot of data, like for example images or videos, and there will be labelers who will go through all the images or videos or whatever objects you have given them and label them, and then machine learning models can be built to predict based on the for the unidentified or new objects. So it can automatically help you label. So that's all. Actually, this video I just wanted to cover all the ML services and APIs. In the exam, basically the question will be something like you have to just pick the right services or the right API. So just remember, if it is something that the exam is asking for absolutely no code, then just go with some like API services. So API means you just invoke an endpoint and pass, for example, image detection API. So you just pass in an image and it will tell you like what are the objects that it has found. But in case you want to customize it to some extent, so you will have you can just go with some kind of auto ML service. So just remember this point and just go through this lecture and see all the APIs and services, and you will be able to figure out which service or which API should you be using for the question. And with that, thanks for watching. Bye.